5, 4, 3, 2, and take.
Sa tindi ng init ng panahon, we decided to go south of Manila and enjoy this destination resort amid the cool and calming hills of Tagaytay and Cavite. Nandito tayo sa Hacienda Isabela. And what's a getaway in Hacienda Isabela without Miss Ku Ledesma?
So where are we now? Miss Ku, ang ganda naman. Thank you so much.
It's so nice that you came to Hacienda.
Thank you for having us. Thank you for obliging.
Of course.
Napakaganda ng Hacienda Isabela.
Ay nako, pinagyayabang namin ito kasi 24 years na to, work in progress.
Ito,
Yeah.
napansin ko, ang ganda ng wall.
Yes.
Where did you derive the inspiration from?
From a door.
What?
From a door. Nakakita ako nung ganon. Actually, sa picture lang. Tapos sinabi ko doon sa tao namin, kopyahin mo nga to, gawin mong wall. Ayun, ang dami nagtrabaho niyan.
How many people do you have in your place who work for you?
We have about 30 people.
Oh my
actually.
gosh.
All around sila lahat.
4
Kailangan,
hectares
no?
lang naman ito.
4 hectares.
This
We
is a
have
work in
85
progress.
already, going 90 rooms.
Ang mga chandelier.
Chandelier
Alam mo
is from
naman ito.
Cebu, locally made yan. Most of it are really antiques from our country. Yan, yung mga araro, yung mga tinatanggal sa lumang bahay. I'm a thinker. I create. Yan. At saka I have concepts like that's Blanco, you know, Casa Blanco. At saka if you see the mga sacks, yung white sacks, it's actually a wrap, balot for the langka.
I want
Ito
to know
naman mga
what is it all about.
Mga lumang gamit din. Para lang hindi boring yung wall na screen lang, we decided to just put this thing. Alam mo, creative ang Pilipino eh. Huwag kumopya. Ang gagawin nila, mag-isip sila ng bagong concept. And yes, I buy the old wood kasi nasasayangan ako eh.
Like ito, your wall.
Yan.
Ito na naman, isa na naman pong art piece.
Alam mo, antik na antik, ano?
Very antique.
Yeah. And then we have an in-house carver na medyo ngayon wala siya. Pero ano siya, ginawa niya lahat yan. I would buy a small piece and then I'd tell him, ito ang gawin mo.
Di ba kung you can hold ilang parties, ito family parties for how many people?
Easily
100
500
plus.
dyan sa garden.
When you bought this, what were your initial plans for it?
A little farmhouse with a lot of fruit-bearing trees. Ganun kagaling ang
Put them in the
Panginoon,
ground.
di ba?
Ang
The
galing
way
talaga ni God.
he orchestrated everything.
Amen.
Yeah.
Did you ever think that eventually you would hold your own concert in this
Hindi.
hacienda of yours?
Hindi. Si Apa Ongpin was the first wedding here that gave us inspiration. It gave us an idea na pwede pala.
So, in another part of your hacienda, ang laki naman ito talaga. Why Bali?
Wala, we just create something that's kinda, Balinese. Wala kaming arkitekto dito. Ako lang lahat ng nagdi-design yan. And then my people do it.
It's because you have an architectural background. Nursing.
No, mahilig lang ako tumingin ng mga magazines. And I've always wanted to be an architect. So, ayun, ito naman the pool area. You can lounge here.
This is an Olympic-sized pool, right?
Hindi naman.
Pero ang laki.
Malaki. This area is called the Shinwa. May konting touch ng Chinese, pati mga paintings namin, yung ganyan. And then, our rooms actually are large in this area. So, pwedeng family.
How many can they hold per room, like the Shinwa?
One is 8, the
Wow.
other, 4, may 6, may ganon.
With those paintings, where did you get them? Ang ganda yung matandang
Ano yan
vendor.
Some of our paintings are from the Damian Domingo books. When we put it up here, biglang na-realize na, wow, interesting, no?
True.
Oo. Ito naman, we got this from Bali. From Jakarta, I went there. Ang dami niya ng mga gagandang mga doors. And so, this one, for example, tinago ko yung isang card na nakita ko in a store. And then we copied it.
Ang galing naman ng mga pintor. Oh.
Yan naman, it's from an old print. Alam mo yung mga 100+ year old print.
Pagkatapos tayong ipasyal, it is time to know more about the world-class pop diva herself, Cool Ledesma.
Hello friends, welcome to our channel, the Snooki Serna channel. Naku, alam nyo ngayon, I am so honored, I am so happy. Isa sa pinaka-ginagalang, magaling na artist po sa ating bansa. She's a concert icon, a respected recording star, a consummate artist, nag-iisang pop diva, Miss Cool Ledesma.
Thank you. Thank you.
What does pop diva mean to you?
I sing pop songs, lalo na nung nasa Alibi Bar pa ako 45 years ago with the Music and Magic. Talagang pop ang music na pinipili ko. Pero I also love the old songs. Kaya lang nakilala talaga ako sa mga top 40s, pop songs, mga hit songs. Kasi yan ang gusto ng Pilipino eh.
Mga pop.
Yung alam nila, yung naririnig nila. Yes.
Familiar sila.
Yes. Ngayon, eto naman si Floy Quintos.
Oh, dito Floy.
Siya yung usual director ko, writer, na napakagaling. And siya yung nag-coin nun, pop diva. Sa akin naman, alam mo, Snooki, hindi naman ako yung diva na ngayon. Yung ganyan. Hindi. Sa akin, ang importante, yung mabigyan ko ng kasiyahan yung mga tao.
First time you heard someone call you, oh, yung pop diva, how did it make you feel?
Sa akin, it's the same thing eh.
Exactly.
Oo, hindi naman yung parang, parang
Right,
okay.
exactly.
Hindi mo mapipigil yung mga katulad ni Floy. Ginagamit nila yan.
It's also a marketing tool.
It's a
for us.
marketing tool. Yeah. So, okay lang. Tumaas naman yung talent ko eh, nung naging diva ako. So, keep it up.
They say sometimes, diba, that when you're a diva, part of being a diva is that you're being a perfectionist.
Yung meaning nila nung being perfectionist is, I think, you always take care of the details. You don't relinquish authority. That means, makialam ka kasi show mo yan, no? So, tawag nga sa akin noon, pakilamera. So, sa akin, okay lang yun kasi kailangan talaga akong, to make sure the details are yung tama yung lahat, no?
We gave you the title Pop Diva.
Okay.
But if you were to give yourself a title, what would it be?
Just call me Cool Ledesma, you know. I would call myself a one and only kasi all of us are unique, no? Para sa akin, when you say one and only, mas maganda sa akin yun eh, kasi you're giving me the right compliment. Because it's like when I say, the one and only Snooki Serna, no? Kasi God created us unique from each other. Kung ano ang meron ako, iba sa meron ka. No? Pwede kopyahin, pero it will never be exact.
Ate Cool, bago ka naging Cool Ledesma, ikaw muna si Maria Socorro Hashim Ledesma. Looking back, was it a happy childhood?
There were moments, you know. I know how to create happiness. Happiness naman comes from happenings. So, kaya ako marunong magpinta. So, yun yung ko. Dahil it was not a happy marriage for my mother. So, I would just stay in the house. Hindi ako lumalabas for parties. Very, very seldom. Yung tatlong siblings ko, my sister and my 2 other brothers, nagpa-party yan, barkada. Sa akin, just being with my mother was a special time para sa akin yun.
And Ate Cool, I heard, diba, that you would spend time singing yung mga sa jingle notebook, jingle songbook with mom.
My mother sings kasi. Maganda ang boses ng mother ko. At saka nasa tono. Pati father ko, he whistles a lot. Kumakanta rin. Anyway.
Mana-mana rin talaga yun, no?
Oo. Yes, genetic din.
Genetic.
So,
it would be very sufficing to say that your mom was your favorite person.
I would say my grandfather.
Your grandfather.
Oo, my mother and my grandfather. Kasi they were very loving. Well, my grandfather, ako talaga yung paborita ng grandfather ko. So he would actually share stories from the Bible, yung ganun.
It goes way back pala from your grandfather.
Yes.
You're very spiritual, not religious.
I really did not understand the depth of, yung mga stories sa Bible, yung meaning, what God is telling us. And yet, I got a gold medal in religion. First in religion. I graduated 4th year high school. with a medal, a gold medal. Pero when I became a Bible believer, I realized, naku, wala pa pala ako masyadong alam dito. Yung lalim pala, it only is revealed to you when you have the presence of the Holy Spirit. When you have given your life to Christ.
Lahat ng tao may mga hinahangaan. Sino-sino ba sila? Ate, would you mind giving me 3 of your favorite artists?
Artists, well, umiiba yan eh. As the years go,
Totoo,
go by.
Kumbaga.
Yeah, depende kung sino yun. Pero very seldom will I really admire a singer, no? Dati, na-notice ko na ang galing talaga ni Barbra Streisand. She's so creative. Marunong siya to the best expression to a song. Okay? Michael Jackson, Diana Ross. Kahit si Madonna, I admire her. Ngayon, sila Adele, definitely Whitney Houston. Celine Dion, magagaling talaga sila. Hindi ka makakahanap ng katulad.
Who was your mentor in showbiz? Singing career muna.
Actually, yung pinapakinggan ko si Barbra Streisand dati, and I would sing her songs, the way that she would sing it. Kaya sabi nga nila, uy, kaboses si Barbra Streisand. So because of that, it taught me to place my voice. Nagulat lang ako na even in my Tagalog, para kang may Barbra Streisand,
may pitch
mga
pa rin ni Barbara.
Tonong gano'n.
Tono.
Oo.
Meron ka ba sa mga nakasabay mo na medyo na naging rival mo?
Dapat ko ba sagutin yan? May
Hindi,
nagra-rival sa amin. Pero hindi ko na sasabihin. Kasi
sige.
ayoko na, I
Okay.
don't wanna give it power
That's true.
that people would, ay talaga ba? Yung ganyan, no? Wag na.
Respect.
Oo, kasi para sa akin, mahal ko silang lahat. And they're not rivals to me. My rival is myself. I have to beat the last Kuledesma act.
One of the many plans that God had for you was your acting career.
Tama.
Would you say? Ate ko pinanood ko yung movie mo.
Alin yun? Yung
Yung kay-
Tinimbang?
Yung kay Kuya
Christopher?
Boyet.
Oo,
Yes.
kay
Ang galing mo
Boyet.
naman eh.
Hindi, very shy pa ako noon. Wala akong background eh. Si Danny Jalcita.
Si Danny ang
Susulat niya yung script mo doon mismo eh.
si Danny nga palang nag-direct.
Yes, siya ang nag-direct.
You may be the greatest singer if you have no one to share it with. When you look into the crowd, you will see no one because you're empty.
Do you enjoy ever acting?
I enjoy it.
Though I know that singing
enjoy.
is your first love.
Oo. When I was in LA, nung gumagawa ko ng album doon, I had a few lessons with some of the top teachers. So, I picked up. And then, syempre, nanonood ka ng mga sine, nare-realize mo, may mga inspirasyon ka. And then, I was not afraid anymore. Yung, hindi na ako mahiyain. Kasi hindi ka pwedeng, very
Na-overcome.
reserved ka, shy ka. Malilimit yung, creativity mo in acting.
Ate ko, we'll talk about your beautiful daughter. And how is your relationship with Isabella?
I would say, just like Hacienda Isabela, work in progress. Talagang our relationship is changing for the better. We went through storms in our life when I got separated from my husband. Si Isabella suffered a lot. Ako kasi survivor ako eh. But Isabella did not fully understand what was going on. 14 siya, nagbalikan kami ng husband ko. And then, the next time was, I believe she was already mga 18 ulit, ganon. Sabi niya, hindi ko na matake. She was diagnosed with the bipolar disorder. In the beginning, I did not understand all of that, no? And yet, even the books on, makakahanap ka ng books, just psychiatric books and this and that. Being a Christian, iba na ang pananaw ko eh. It's not just, dapat hindi limited dun sa sinasabi ng psychiatrist. You have to have that spiritual aspect, which is even more important.
But ate ko, as a parent,
Yeah.
did you ever blame yourself for that?
Alam mo, blame doesn't go anywhere eh.
Di ba
But,
yan din ang nakalaban?
opening the Bible, the Holy Word, It's really an instruction book of God. It's really for a better life. It transforms our mind. Nag-change yung way of thinking natin pag sinunod natin ang banal na kasulatan. And so when we don't, yung mga sakit na ganyan can stay forever. I know people that take psychotropic drugs ng buong buhay nila kasi hindi nila naiintindihan na mas spiritual ang problema. So only God can heal. Si Isabella ginawa rin niya. Kaya it was a very difficult phase. And hindi namin naiintindihan, hindi pala ganon. But then she decided na ganon. Ngayon nga sinasabi niya, she blames me na ako daw nagsabi sa kanya. But she was the one who suggested, what if I just cut it? Sabi ko, hindi ko naman naiintindihan na masama pala. So sabi ko, that's really up to you. Tapos, nagkaroon ng problema kami.
Pero at least, no, Auntie ko, di ba, once the withdrawal is gone na or taken out of your system na yung mga gamot na purge mo
pero
na.
kailangan kasi yan. Meron din akong problema noon before I became a Christian. It took me 4 years to get rid of that. Yung masyadong nag-iisip, natutulog na, nag-create ka pa, nag-iisip ka pa. You can control it eh. You just have to practice controlling and ask the Lord.
Ate ko,
Yes.
what did you discover about yourself because of your daughter and in your spiritual relationship as mother and daughter?
Ang ating mga anak, re-respetohin din natin sila kung ano yung kanilang mga desires and dreams. Meron tayong mga dreams for them, but actually dapat ang masunod ang ating anak. Kasi that dream was given to them specifically by God. So ang parents, alam nila kung ano yung giftings mo eh. So ako, nakikita ko talaga the number one gift of Isabella, well, is singing, and then yung pagpipaint. Bata pa yan eh, ang galing-galing niya, no? We went through something like that. I don't really know if I want to be a singer. Panoodin mo siya. Tingnan mo yung mga tao.
Ang galing-galing kumanta ni
Nagugulat
Isabella.
sa kanya. All my life you have been faithful, and all my life you have been so good. Sabi
Hi,
ko,
Belle.
and then after the concert,
I'm a fan. of
sasabihin ng mga tao, ang galing-galing na Isabella. Ano na yan? Ba't hindi siya kumakanta publicly? So, yun ang also one of the reasons why I put up concerts here. So that I can encourage her, mag-concert ka, kumanta ka. Yung
That's so
ganon.
nice
Tulungan
of you.
mo ako na ma-promote ito. So, ngayon, natural na lang.
Dito bang sulong kong takdak sa ilalim ng araw?
Ate ko, I'm just curious, do you have a foundation?
Yes, I do. It's called the Holy Bible Giver Foundation. We raise funds through my concerts, yung 316. That's my birthday kasi. So, last 316, March 16, ginawa ko ulit yon as a benefit.
Belated
And
happy birthday!
I'm so thankful na may mga nag-support, may nagpadala ng mga donations so that we can continue giving Bibles sa prisons, sa mga mahihirap na churches in our country.
Ate ko, I'm learning from you. Thank you. Nami-minister
I'm
ako.
glad.
You're
I'm glad.
ministering to
Oo.
me. Thank you. And I know you guys too are being ministered to.
Luki, alam mo, mahal kita.
I love you too, Ate ko.
Oo, alam mo, sagad na tayo.
Meron tayo, Ate ko, for the record. We will show you mga record albums.
Oo,
And
sige.
then, Ate, you will give us a memory or two.
Okay, alright. Can you imagine, ganyan pala itsura ko dati?
Ang ganda.
Tingnan mo
Ate
yung
ko,
lips ko dyan, parang smeared. Hindi
Pero
pa ako
may
marunong mag-lipstick.
Hindi Uso yung kulidesma look.
Yun dati.
Part of that is yung widow's peak
Oo,
mo.
oo.
Sinave ko yun dito ko para magka-widow's peak ako.
Well, you know this one, that was my Bo Derek, ano yan eh.
Oh, yeah.
Pero si Bo Derek lahat. Ako isa lang. Tapos alam mo yan,
Makeup artist of the
I
day,
bought
those
that,
days.
yung outfit na yan, in one of the stores. Kasi I love the design, sariling atin yan, no? And then yung mga nakasabit na yan, binili ko lang yan sa isang store na may Philippine,
Tapos
things.
diba, Ate ko, this was your first album?
My first
Am I right?
album, an all Canseco album. Nung
Oh,
ginagawa
George
ko yan, I
Canseco
did not realize how blessed I was to to have an all Canseco album. Nandyan yung Paano Kita Mapapasalamatan. Dito ba, my first hit.
Favorite ko.
Bulaklak is there.
Bulaklak.
Paano? Tapos yung isa pa, yung Wakas, na napakagandang awit, no?
Ate ko, how was it
Okay.
working with the great George Canseco?
Si George naman lahat nililigawan. Niligawan nila ako. Just to be, funny, ha?
You saw it here first, guys. Wow!
Ligaw na parang, alam mo yun, kung makakalusot. But anyway, mahal namin si George. And you know what? He received Christ as his Savior in his deathbed.
Oh.
Si Dulce, kasi they're close.
Yes,
Hindi ba marami rin ginawa si Canseco for her. We blessed Canseco with a concert called Paano Kita Mapapasalamatan. Andyan sila Shasha, si Dulce, Regine was there, si Basil Valdez,
That was so
Martin. Nice. It was a beautiful show. And a year after he died, actually.
Ito po ang inspirasyon ni George Canseco, katulad sa mga taong ibinibigay ang buhay nila na walang kailangang kapalit dahil alam nila kung saan manggagaling ang mga rewards natin. Paano kita mapasasalamatan sa puso mo, sa akin na ibigay.
Ito yung sa movie naman, Tinimbang ang Langit. Oo. Unforgettable din yan. Dahil, syempre, gwapo ang aking katambal dyan. Syempre, ninenervyos ako, kissing scene na. Oh my gosh! Marunong naman talaga ako humalik. Kaya lang, doon sa boyfriend ko, komportable ako. Pero, kay Christopher, baka ma-develop. Hindi, joke lang.
Baka ma-develop
Joke
si Christopher.
Hindi.
Yun.
Kung ako ang ma-develop. So, ganun. Ang bait naman ni Christopher din. He knows how to take care of his leading lady. One of my favorite albums, yung Ako Ay Pilipino. Alam mo, lahat yan, it's really God orchestrating. Ang pagmamahal ko talaga sa awiting Pilipino, nandun na Masabihin inherent. Kasi napakahirap gawin yung album na yan dahil double album. Pero si Kasilag, gumawa siya ng avant-garde na Filipino instruments, no? Nanalo siya dyan as one of the parang instrumentalist arranger. She got an award for what she did in this album. Andyan yung Ako Ay Pilipino. Andyan din yung mga ibang classic songs na Kapalaran is there, Bulong-bulungan, Mahiwaga ang buhay ng tao, mga ganun.
Ate, were you paid a huge amount of money when you were offered this album?
Was I paid a lot
Yeah.
of money? No.
No.
Hanggang ngayon, di pa ako yumayaman sa royalties. First time ko sinabi kay Vic Del Rosario, Vic, wala ba ako natatanggap dun sa ano ko? Alam mo, I do well in concerts, in tours. Kaya malapit ko nang usigin yung mga producer na yan. Malapit na. Oo. Babalikan ko silang lahat. Ayan, I think I'm in love. That's with, that's all Cecil Azarcon. Innocentes na siya ngayon. Picasso dati yung drummer. Sila Neil Oshima yan.
Oh,
mga nag-aano
si
niya.
Neil
Mga
Oshima.
magagaling na photographers. Alam mo, pag ginagawa ko yung album, hindi ko iniisip, magiging hit ito. Basta ginagawa ko lang. I do my best. And then nagugulat na lang ako na naging hit na siya.
Sa album na ito, ano ba yung mga songs mo naging talagang super big hits?
I think I'm in love. One More Try. Yung One More Try. Pero ano yun, ano lang yun, hindi masyadong hit noon. Tinugtog rin sa radyo yung One More Try, no? 40 years ago. But then, it was rediscovered and ginawang theme song ng My Husband's Lover. It became a big, big hit because of the My Husband's Lover.
Ate, pwede ba sample ng slight lang? Just
Anong
lang.
song?
One More Try. Gusto ko yung One More Try.
Should we stay or should we say goodbye? Walk away or give it one more try. What a waste to let our dreams just fly, and as the days go by, we'll always wonder why. Ayun. Thank you. Mapalad ako na nabigyan ako ng mga awiting ganito. Na naging kaibigan ko si Cecil. Actually, ang anecdote niyan, nag-aral ako siguro ng mga 3 or 4 lessons kay Cecil. Tapos pinarinig niya sa akin, sasabihin ko sa kanya, akin yan. Tapos yung one more time, akin din yan. Alam mo, ang dali ng mga awitin ni Cecil. Madaling matandaan. No? So, it was not difficult for me to do the album.
Ang ganda ng album cover.
Ay, naku, ang
ate.
dami niyang albums na yan. 20 plus yan. Ayan. Pero Too Marvelous for Words was actually after Unforgettable. Yung Unforgettable, ang talagang sold so much. Ito kasi, ano to more on the mga blowings, may mga blowing section yan, yung mga trumpets, big band, ganyan. So, masaya ko ginawa yan. I love the songs there. Ano yan Lihim. Alam mo, I don't know what came over me. Pero, all Tagalog naman yan na album from Cecil. Yan yung sabi ko, hukayin mo na yung mga songs mo na ano. Ang ganda ng kantang yan. Pero alam mo, yung sinasabi mo na perfectionist, narinig ko sa radyo. Sabi ko, hindi ko type yung pagkakanta ko nito. Alam mo, tinawagan ko yung radio station. Huwag mo patugtugin. Tinigil! Tapos ngayon, parang yung siguro OC. Oo. Pero parang baliw, Bakit mo titigilin? Tinutugtog na nga So ayun, it became, hindi na nakilala masyado, pero it's such a nice song. Ang daming hits ni si Cecil, hindi magkakasya dun sa show niya.
Kayo talaga.
Yan ang bibigyan ko ng sample ngayon. Yan, hanapin niyo po yan. Ayan. Sana maalala ko. Lihim na umiibig sa'yo, lagi kang laman ng isip ko, lihim na pinapangarap ka ng puso ko, walang may alam nito. Ayun. Napakaganda nung song, actually.
Ang ganda ng lyrics.
Maybe I should sing it more in my concerts. Yan.
And ate, ang ganda talaga ng voice mo.
Ay, thank you po. Thank you. The Boys and the Violin, that is with
Ang ganda mo.
Noel Pointer. Ayun, I took advantage of the fact that we were doing a show together. And sabi ko, let's make an album. Sabi ko, while you're here. So, gumawa kami.
Manila. Come on in, Noel Pointer.
This is the expensive album. Tsaka hindi ko na yan inaano kasi labas pusod. Oo.
Ate.
That was shot in Boracay. Oo, by an American photographer. There's a song there called Precious by Grace Nono. It's very unique, ibang klase. But, there's a lot of songs here that talk about our country. The first song is called Lover's Journey. And actually, dapat i-present ko yan sa tourism para gamitin nila yung music dyan. Yes. It was also put in a billboard in Sunset Boulevard.
Wow, naka-billboard lang naman.
Dapat pinalagay ko sa the first Filipino singer to have a billboard in Sunset. Ayun naman kasama ni Jaja. Nag-duet naman din kami. Lahat yan duets because we had a tour. Oh my gosh, a long tour. Jaja is one of my best partners. Yung boses namin complement.
Sapat na bang mahalin lang kita, mapagkailan pa man.
Kahit si Regine is also for me one of my favorite partners in singing.
In singing.
Magaling si Regine talaga sa harmonizing. At saka hindi niya ako sinasapawan.
Walang ganun.
Walang ganunan sa kanya.
Take a name.
Martin Rivera, napakadali nito. He is
Totoo
so
naman.
friendly, he is so loving to all artists. I see
That's
him.
true.
And sa akin, kaya patuloy yung biyaya niya. Siyempre, nung umpisa, nung naghiwalay sila ni Pops, pinapagalitan ko yan. Bumalik ka na sa asawa mo.
Ikaw ka ng voice of conscience.
Kagalit nga siya sa akin. I love you, Martin. He's not hard to love, you know. So he's one artist na dapat tularan ng mga ibang malalaking artist. Ryan Cayabyab. Oh, he's a national artist. Ryan was part of my growing. And I'm so glad kasi napakagaling niyang musician, composer, conductor, arranger, lahat na. I am so glad that siya yung pinili ko, lalo na nung nag-uumpisa pa ako. Mahal. Mahal. Pero
medyo mahal.
Worth it. Pinili ko siya nung nag-uumpisa pa ako. Because then, katulad ng Inspired Madness, siya yung gumawa ng mga lineup, yung mga
Ate
ideas.
Kuya, ang dami mo nagawa sa CCP.
Marami. Pero sa pagpapaganda ng palabas, di kami kumita.
Till I met you, I never knew what love was, or I would never say goodbye.
10 days, nung aming Inspired Madness, puno.
Diba?
But because
yes, I know that.
it was expensive to put it up. But you know, it's like what they say, it's a feather in your cap na nagawa mo yun. No? And I was pregnant that time. Peke Galiaga directed. I was with some of the greatest. Mitch Valdez, one of my favorite comedians. We worked together also in the mga Ang Pinoy Nga Naman.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, Ang Pinoy Nga Naman, folk arts. Napakagaling ni Mitch. He's very creative. Oo. Ay, George Canseco, one and only.
The one and only.
At saka, this man needs to be remembered forever, yung mga kanta niya. He is one of the great contributors to our OPM, Original Filipino Music. Si Basil was one of the biggest recipient of his composition. Pops Fernandez. Si Pops Fernandez, I have fun when I do shows or tours with her.
She's fun to be with.
You know, Pops Fernandez, you can learn a lot from her, no?
Very mature.
She takes care of her career. She loves to perform. She loves to dance. I admire her, yung kanyang staying power in the business. Yeah.
May longevity, you know, si
Oo,
Pops.
kasi she works hard at her craft. Regine Velasquez. Love na love ko to si Regine kasi napakabait actually. Kung minsan misunderstood, lalo na dati, pero ngayon Christian na to. She's already a believer, no? Si Regine, I will not forget. I introduced her in her first concert with kinuha ko si Gary at saka ako we performed with her. Si Shasha Padilla.
Shasha.
Oh, one of a kind din ito na singer. She has a beautiful voice. Medyo inano kami nito ng mga writers, yung pinaglalaban kami. But we were able to work successfully together. Celeste Legaspi. Mataray ito. Oo, alam naman niya eh. Pero ano na siya, nag-mellow na. Mag-mellow ka pa. Pero magaling na artista. At saka, she keeps producing mga Filipino plays, which is good. We need people like Celeste. Willie Cruz, we miss him. Because Willie Cruz is also one of the best songwriters. Si Shasha, I think 2 o 3 yung binigay ni Willie. Oo. Ang gaganda.
Very talented.
Oo, kung wala si Shasha, siguro binigay sa akin yung mga kantang yun. Pero, hindi bale, marami na naman din ako. So, Willie, miss na miss ka na namin. I know that if Willie was still around, he would still make fabulous songs. Ay, ito si Gary. Nako, si Gary Valenciano. Yan ang perfectionist. An excellent artist na is relentless in his craft, no? Dala niya si Lord sa performance niya. And I must say, kailangan pasalamatan din natin si Angeli Pangilinan Valenciano, who was one of my backup singers in Music and Magic, who became the manager of Gary. Oh, niligawan niya si Gary. Oo, naging asawa tuloy niya si Gary. Ang galing mo Angeli.
At a good final question. What is the secret to your longevity?
It's passion, hindi pa nawawala yung passion sa akin. Sana nga hindi. Now that I have, understand the secrets to the kingdom of heaven, it's about asking, that's the rule of the kingdom. Hinihingi ko lagi na, Lord, wag mong pabayaang mawala yung pagmamahal ko sa pag-awit. Kasi it is my way to share about Christ, yung kabutihan ng Diyos sa atin. That's my life now, that I can really show my love for people through my songs and through my messages. Ayun.
Ate Ku, thank you.
Thank you rin for coming to Hacienda. Malayo ang Hacienda, pero pinili nyo to come here.
Ate Ku, it was my honor.
Red na red. Valentine's
Yes,
ba?
It's my
Thank you. So beautiful.
Happy
Tingnan
Valentine's.
nyo. Ang ganda-ganda.
Words to ponder from Proverbs chapter 11 verse 24. One person gives freely yet gains even more. Another withholds unduly but comes to poverty. Amen.
Ate Ku, maraming salamat po unang-una sa lahat. Lucy Britannico for my haircut. Jill Stewart for my eyewear. Maraming salamat po. Apostol Dental Clinic for my smile. FG Family, maraming salamat po for my skincare. Bernardo's Golds and Diamonds, maraming salamat po sa inyo. And of course, ang ating Don Benito's Food Delicacies. Maraming
parang
salamat
masarap
po.
yan, ha?
Alfie Makadangdang, maraming salamat for your support. Thank you very much. I would like to thank, of course, Ate Ku,
One and
Malo,
only din yan.
the one and only
Oo.
Miss Malo Cruz. Maraming salamat. Would you mind inviting our televiewers to Hacienda Isabela and the
nako, of
concert
course.
coming soon?
Yes. Kung hindi pa po kayo nakakapunta dito, you come and bring your family here for family bondings, pati yung church ninyo, sabihin ninyo, merong magandang lugar. Aalagaan kayo dito dun sa mga retreats, pati yung companies ninyo, team buildings, every celebration, we love having here.
Sana po, please, guys, if you like this, like, share, subscribe, and also press the notification bell para alam nyo kung kailan yung susunod nating vlog. And meron ako parati sinasabi dito, ate, whatever happens, rain or shine, friends po tayo. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.
Amen.
I shall see you soon. Thank you, ate. I love you.